Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine? I hope you all are fine, safe at your home. Okay, so now first tell me which period is going on. Which period is going on? Look at the board. Which subject? Yes, EVS subject. And in EVS subject, we have learned in your previous videos indoor games and outdoor games. What is indoor game and what is outdoor game? Tell me. Indoor game means those games are played inside your home. Okay, and outdoor game, those games who played outside your home, जो आप घर के अंदर गेम्स खेलते हैं, that is called indoor games. और जो आप घर के बाहर गेम्स खेलते हो, that is called outdoor game. Okay, so you remember all what is indoor and what is outdoor? Very nice. So now, what game we have learned in your previous video? Yes, cricket, hockey and footballs. So 3 games we have learned in your previous video. So now we will learn further 3 outdoor games. Okay, so let's start. First you take out your EVS notebook and write with me. Write outdoor game. Before writing, you just tell me how many outdoor games you have learned? 3. The name of the game, cricket, hockey and football. So now tell me the spellings of cricket. Yes, let us revise. Repeat after me, okay? C-R-E-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Cricket is outdoor game. And next, hockey. What is the spelling of hockey? H-O-C-K-E-Y. Hockey. Hockey is also outdoor game. Very nice. And third one. Yes. Football. What is the spelling of football? Repeat after me. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Football. Yes. So you just revise it. Football, cricket and hockey. Okay. So now we will start further 3 games. Okay. Those also are outdoor game. So let us start next 3. First, write down the heading. What is the heading? What is the heading? This is your 4 lines. And the heading is outdoor game. What is the spelling of outdoor? Yes, out. What is the spelling of out? O-U-T. Out. O-U-T. D-double-O-R. Okay. Outdoor. Write with me, outdoor. Now the spelling of games. G-A-M-E-S. Games. Full stop. Outdoor games. The heading is outdoor games. In your previous lecture, you already write this heading now. So take it easy. Write outdoor game. Before outdoor, first we'll make the picture of the game and then write the name. Okay. So now on number 1. On number 1, make the picture of what is this? This is kite. Okay. And what is the name of the game? Kite flying. So you just revise the spelling. First you revise the spelling of kite. What is the spelling of kite? Yes. K-I-T-E. Kite. And next flying. Okay. What is the spelling of flying? First we write F-L-Y and add I-N-G. Kite flying. You play the game kite flying at the terrace? Yes. So this is also outdoor of the house. So this is outdoor game. Kite flying is outdoor game. Okay. Kite flying is outdoor game. Kite flying is outdoor game. So you just write how many times till the last line. One more time. What is the spelling of kite? K-I-T-E. Kite. Flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Kite. Flying. Okay. So write the spelling of kite flying. Okay. One more time. Write the spelling of kite flying. Make red line, blue line. And then write the spelling of kite flying. You know how to write? K-I-T-E. Kite. Then F-L-Y. Fly. And add I-N-G. Flying. Kite flying. Okay. Then one more time, write the spelling of kite flying. Okay, so just again revise K, but better say and write. All the spelling first you say, then write. So K-I-T-E. Kite. Then write the spelling of flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. last line. You also write till the last line of your EVS notebook. Okay, so understand? All of you, you write full page of your EVS notebook. And what is the spelling? First, K-I-T-E. Kite. Then write F-L-Y-I-N-G. Okay, so done the spelling of kite flying. Be fast and write full page of your notebook. Okay. Full page of your notebook until write last line. Okay, then kite flying. What is the next game? What is the next game? On number 2, make the picture of basket, then make the picture of ball. Okay, so this is basket and this is ball. So now you write the spelling of basket, ball. Okay, so what is the spelling of basket? What is the spelling of basket? First, B-A-S-K-E-T. Basket. Then write the spelling of ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Basket, ball. So you break the spelling. First, basket. What is the spelling of basket? You just revise. B-A-S-K-E-T. Basket. And you know the spelling of ball. B for ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. So the spelling of basketball is B-A-S-K-E-T. Pause. Then say B-A-L-L. Ball. Basket, ball. So write down till the last line the spelling of basketball. And say, first you say the spelling and then the write in your EVS notebook. So let's again write basketball. B, capital B, small a, small s, small k, small e and small t. Basket. Then B, small b, small a and double L, small l. Basket, ball. Write basketball. Write fast. Once again, write the spelling of basketball. So what is the spelling? B-A-S. Say like this. B-A-S-K-E-T. Basket. And then the spelling of ball is B-A-L-L. Ball. Basketball. Once again, write the spelling of basket. B A S B A S. Say KET. Basket. This is the basket and this is a ball. Basketball. You see basketball? Yes. So basketball is also a outdoor game. We will play in stadium, in a big playground. So basketball is a outdoor game. Right here, B A double L. Ball. Basket ball. Once again, B A S K E T. Basket. How to learn the spelling of basket? B A S K E T and then join it. Basket. So the spelling of basket is B A S K E T. Basket. B A double L ball. Basketball. So the name of the game is basketball. The picture is basket and the picture is ball. Basketball. Write fast. Basketball till the last line. Kite flying and basketball till the last line. Then write the next game. Okay, so first you make the picture of the game. Okay, so this is your next game, the picture of the game. Tell me the name of the game. This is seesaw. Okay, in playground you see this game in playground, seesaw, and you sit. Very nice. So you play seesaw. So now you write the spelling of seesaw. What is the spelling of seesaw? You return all the two games. Okay, be fast. After this, we will write the spelling of seesaw. Okay. So please write fast all the two games. Okay, so write the spelling of seesaw. First you see the spelling of C. S-E-E-C. Then dash. Write the spelling of saw. C-A-W. Saw. See-saw. The name of the game is seesaw. Once again, write the spelling of seesaw. S-E-E-S-A-W. Seesaw. Once again, S-E-E-S-A-W. Seesaw. Okay, you read the spelling of see and read the spelling of saw. Then joint. So the spelling of seesaw. S-E-E-S-A-W. Seesaw. S-E-E-S-A-W. Seesaw. Okay, so all the three names of the game. Kite flying. Kite flying is also outdoor games because हम पतंग क्या घर में उड़ाते हैं? No, हम घर के बाहर उड़ाते हैं. That is called outdoor game. Then next, basketball. Basketball is also played in a big playground, in big stadium. So basketball is also a outdoor game. Then next, seesaw. Seesaw also in playground. So seesaw is also a outdoor game. All the outdoor games are there. Kite flying, basketball and seesaw. So let us practice for those three games and write the spelling also. Okay. And read the name. Read the name and identify the game name with their picture. When the picture of kite, so you just click in your mind, this is kite flying. Then when basket and ball are there, so you click in your mind, this is a basketball because basket are there and ball are there, so this is basketball. And when the picture of seesaw, so you just tell me the game of the name is seesaw. Okay, so now your lecture is over. Now we will meet in your next video. So bye and have a nice day. Take care.